This thing could literally replace our entire healthcare system, and I'm not talking about emergencies, I'm talking about chronic conditions. Did you know that fasting could revolutionize the healthcare system, especially in managing chronic conditions? While emergency care is necessary, fasting helps address the root cause of many conditions. One question that stands out is, what's the best course of action for your health? The answer is fasting, an approach that's accessible to everyone. Fasting not only helps you lose weight, but it also helps you overcome a difficult set point, like when you've lost 20 pounds but can't lose any more. It also has positive effects on brain health, repairing tissue and stimulating brain cell growth, improving mood and cognitive function. If you guessed intermittent fasting, you're right. This method allows you to control your eating time without starving your body, helping to reduce medical costs. Initially, I did not take fasting seriously, but the benefits were so great that I changed my mind. The cause of more than 80% of diseases is insulin resistance, and fasting is an effective solution to this problem. When we fast, we activate healing genes, allowing the body to switch to fat-burning mode and use ketones for energy, a process that can take about 3 days. When it comes to intermittent fasting for women, the schedule should be adjusted according to the hormonal cycle. According to Dr. Mindy, the first 10 days after menstruation are the ideal time to do intensive fasting, as hormones are at their optimal levels to support weight loss. If you are ready to fast, consider your physiology and start this journey. When you approach day 20 of your cycle, take a break from fasting as your body may be stressed and your hormones may be out of balance. However, once your period starts, you can return to your routine with 3 balanced meals a day. Our hormones depend on cholesterol, which is essential for the production of steroid hormones, of which progesterone is a brain health protector. Make sure you have enough cholesterol by incorporating foods like egg yolks, shrimp, liver, and fatty cheeses into your diet. Stress management is also important, especially during menopause, as high stress levels can affect hormone production. Don't forget the role of magnesium and zinc. Magnesium deficiency is common and blood tests aren't always accurate, so supplement with magnesium glycinate at around 400 milligrams, especially before bed. For zinc, 50 milligrams per day is ideal, and oysters can help you meet this need easily. Prioritize these nutrients and strategies to optimize your health. Intermittent fasting guidelines. Here are some basic rules for intermittent fasting. 1. Listen to your body, don't eat if you're not hungry. Try to extend your fast. If you fast for 36 to 72 hours, you'll stimulate immune stem cell production, a big win. 2. Adjust your fasting time. If you're not feeling well, eat. Everyone can benefit from intermittent fasting, but pay attention to how your body responds. Your goals, weight loss or health improvement, will guide your fasting time. 3. Cortisol concerns. While there's some talk about low-carb diets increasing cortisol, there's no solid evidence for this, largely because studies are typically done in mice. Fasting may actually improve insulin sensitivity, which can help control cortisol levels more effectively. Types of fasting. There are 2 main types of fasting. 1. Water fasting. You abstain from solid foods but still drink water. 2. Dry fasting. You abstain from both food and water. Research shows that some degree of dehydration can activate genes that help control hydration and prevent excessive water loss. Dry fasting can also help promote weight loss, because the body creates water when it burns fat. The goal is not to dehydrate you, but to control when and how you hydrate. Dry fasting can also increase antioxidant production in the brain, promote autophagy, and improve liver detoxification. Personally, I often combine several methods to optimize effectiveness. I used to skip breakfast and eat a late lunch, but recently I've changed to having breakfast around 9:30 to 11 o'clock, then lunch at 1 o'clock. This way I nourish my body when it needs energy the most without having to go to bed on a full stomach.